How's it going, guys? This is Tyler Hargrave from Jay's Alarms and Car Audio. You see it's all over eBay selling the plug-and-play remote start kits. We offer the best support in the industry, more innovative designs, plug-and-play, no cutting on a lot of Fords. Real simple. So today we are working on a 2020 Ford Ranger. This is an XLT Sport. This is a nice model. It's it's factory lifted, I guess you'd say. Very beautiful truck. Only thing the customer didn't have was remote start. They had remote start through the phone app, but not through the key. And opening up your phone and doing all that, just a headache, you know? You don't want to do that. You just want to push that button 3 times on your factory remote control and have remote start. So we're going to go into this and show you guys exactly what you get when you order from us, Jay's Alarms Car Audio, on eBay. You're going to get a package like this, okay, guys? Real nice package. You're going to open it up and you have 2 things in there. It's going to be a T-harness, which is a couple wires that you just plug in, 2 plugs, and you have a module. This is what the module is right here. This is doing all the magic, okay, guys? I'm going to show you exactly where that T-harness plugs into. We have it currently plugged in now. I'm going to show you exactly where it plugs into. It's going to be your OBD2 plug. It's going to be right down here, okay, guys? So when you're reaching down here, there's an OBD2 plug, or mechanic plug that people call it, and you're going to be plugging in your T-harness. Our T-harness, you're going to unplug the one plug, plug it into our T-harness, and plug it back in. The next part is going to be programming, okay, guys? I'm going to show you guys just how easy this is to program. You're going to plug in the black plug, but before you do that, you're going to hold the button down. There's a black button there. We're going to hold that button down. While we're holding it, plug in the black plug. Once it flashes red, you're going to let go. It's going to flash red. You let go of the button. It turns solid. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in the white. And remember, at this time, guys, just how we sent it to you, only the red plug is connected at this time. Never have both of them connected. You're going to have issues, okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and look at that light. We're going to get the key, insert it into the ignition, turn the ignition on. The module should go red, green, red, okay? That's on the first step. You're gonna remove your key all the way out, okay, guys? You're gonna simply unplug the red plug. So grab both sides and pull it, it unplugs. The black plug could only plug in one way, okay, guys? This way here with the clip. I just wanna show you guys one more time how this actually unclips. Is pushing this clip here, you'll see it unclips. I have a lot of people that call me and say, hey, I'm squeezing the sides and it didn't unclip. Squeezing the sides is not going to do anything. You got to push this middle button here, okay, guys? So remember, again, this step now, you're on the black plug. Red plug is not plugged in. We're going to go ahead and look at this module again. Look at the LED light while we turn the ignition on. It's going to go red, flashing green, solid green, off. So we got red, flashing green, solid green, then off. At that point, you're going to remove your key. You leave the black plug connected, the red plug stays disconnected. You hide this underneath your dash, okay, guys? Use the zip ties that we provide in the kit. You're gonna hide that right down underneath there, very easy. I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to remote start it now. Door can be open or closed. I'm gonna go ahead and close it just so you guys can see. And you're gonna start it by pressing that lock button 3 times. It's all about timing, so if you don't get it the first time, don't be scared that you didn't do it correctly, because if those lights turn on like it shows, it is gonna work, okay? So, lock, lock, lock. Give it a second, it's gonna go ahead and start up for you. Vehicle's now running. It's gonna continue to run, guys, for about 15 minutes. That gives you enough time for the summertime. Your AC will kick on. It'll pull your cap down. For wintertime, it'll kick on your heater, defrost it, and all that good stuff. Get all that air going, get it hot for you inside that cabin. And it is all about your last setting. So remember, guys, when you do turn the vehicle off, if it's summertime, keep that AC cranked up. If it's wintertime, make sure you have that heater cranked up, because that is going to go to your last setting. There's 2 ways of turning the vehicle off. One way is pushing the lock button 3 times. It turns the vehicle off. Another way of doing the remote start by turning it off is by pushing the brake. I'm going to show you guys that real quick. This is a safety feature that's built in. A lot of people like to go out to the car, start it up, leave their key running in the driveway. You do not want to do that. With remote start, if someone were to actually go and break into your vehicle, and they're inside of it, they need to drive off. In order to drive off on any vehicle, you got to push your brake to disengage the parking safety selector switch. So, you get inside the vehicle and they want to drive off, they're going to push that brake. You're going to turn it right back off, guys. So they're not going to be able to steal your car, okay? Another thing I want to show you guys, a lot of people ask us, how do we go and drive the vehicle after remote start it? I'm going to show you right now. So 1, 2, 3. gonna start up. What you're gonna do is you're actually gonna hop inside the vehicle without hitting the brake. You're gonna put the key into the ignition. It's gonna tell you on your dash, turn key to drive. You see that on the dash, guys? It says turn key to drive. You're gonna turn the key on. You're now in drive mode. Vehicle is on. The vehicle is telling you that. I'm gonna turn that volume down on that radio. And now you're ready to drive. You're ready to take off, and you can still hit the brake. See, the vehicle is on. I'm gonna go ahead and select gear indicator. I'll put it into drive, put it into reverse. Let you know transmission is not in park. It is a safety feature because it knows that your door is open and the vehicle is on, okay guys? So that's another way. Once you push that brake and the key's in the ignition, you're now in key mode. You remove that key, the vehicle will turn off. So that's everything with the remote start, guys. Again, find us on eBay. This is Tyler Hargrave from Jay's Alarms Car Audio. If you got a package that look like this, you're getting the perfect kit, okay guys? Again, call us with any support at all. We will help you out. 559-264-9111. Again, 559-264-9111. Thank you.